Alright, crew. Great to see you all again. Tonight we're going to draw one of the Cretaceous era's greatest creatures. Well, this is an ancestor of a modern day alligator. An alligator we call Deinosuchus. Yeah, I know what you're all expecting, but I'll show you that in another episode. Deinosuchus was one of the saltwater crocodiles back in the early Cretaceous. Well, at least I think it was the early Cretaceous. Well, actually, it was the time where alligatorosaurus was still alive. Anyway, here are the scales on his back. Anyway, this is his scaly-like body. What a beautiful day to draw something like this. Alright, so much like their common descendants, they jump out of the water and latch onto their prey. I've seen it happen. Some guy from Prehistoric Park brought one home, back to Prehistoric Park. That was kind of amazing. Yeah, I saw this creature first on Prehistoric Park. It was one of the best prehistoric animals I ever met. And there he is, folks. That's how you draw a Deinosuchus. One of my favorite one of my favorite alligator-related animals. And, wow. Now this is what I'm talking about. Anyway, better sign off for now. Good night.